So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make your comments and also follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what market is going to be giving us this week on our GBP USD. So we will want to see what markets will be doing for us on our GBP USD for the week. So the first thing first, before we take a trade, we need to understand something. And that thing we need to understand is the trend. So before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend of that trade. And as you can see on our GBP USD, we are in an uptrend. Now let's go down to let's go up to our weekly time frame. So what can you see right here? Market was giving, this is a massive impulsive move that market did. Within this impulsive move, there is a series of higher high and higher low that market played, right? Then when market was able to give it this massive impulsive move, whereby there was a series of higher high and higher low, guess what market did next? Market was able to now give a corrective phase. And within this corrective phase, as you can see here, there is a series of lower low, lower high, lower low, and a lower high. Now that this lower low and a lower high is over, guess what market is doing now? Market is now trying to push up again. Now, if you take a look at it, right, market has now given us this pullback, right? So our next movement on our GBP is another impulsive move. And within this impulsive move, there is what? A series of higher high and higher low playing out, right? Which is very much visible on your daily time frame. So this is why we need to say that with this one market is doing, we will be anticipating for a bullish move for the week on our GBP USD. So GBP USD should be giving us a bullish move. Now take a look at this movement. We are going to analyze this movement here. You can see this impulsive move that market did, right? We need to go to our daily time frame, and as you can see on this our daily time frame, you can see that market is trending to the upside. We're having a series of higher high and higher low playing out, right? So this is the high the market did, and here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here is the higher low. Market then pushed up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Then market push up one more time again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market then will push up one more time again. Market then push up one more time again, and it's eventually give us an higher low, right? So this is the higher low. We would now be expecting market to push up one more time to form a new higher high. So a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting next on our GBP USD, right? That is on the daily time frame, because right now the daily time frame is playing an higher low. Once the higher low finish playing out, guys, go in for the buy, because GBP USD will push up for that, so it is able to form a new higher high. So that is to tell you that there will be a bullish move for us this week. So let's see if possibly the bullish move starts from this level, whereby, because this is the first, this was the high and this was the pullback, right? The previous pullback before market was able to push up to form a new high. Let's see if this market will come to the test this level, thereby forming an equal higher low. When it comes to tap this, it will give us an equal higher low. Then with this an equal higher low, we expect the market to reject and push up one more time. So a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting next on our GBP USD. So make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also guys, follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates we are going to be posting for you guys. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. And once you subscribe to this channel, this YouTube channel, click on the bell notification also.